Hello students, today we will know how to fill the JNVST Class 6 Admission Forms 2021. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti conducts Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test for Class 6 and 9 admissions every year. Navodaya 6 2021 registrations have been commenced on October 22, 2020. Students can apply for the same until December 15. So without any further ado, let us know how to fill Navodaya Admission Form 2021 for Class 6. First of all, visit the official website of Navodaya Vidyalaya, which is displayed on the screen. On the left hand side, tap on Click Here to Class 6 Registration. A pop-up will appear on the screen confirming have you read the prospectus. Tick the box and click on Proceed. Now, read the given instructions carefully in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Class 6 Admission Form 2021 and move to the section of Personal Details. Fill in the asked details in the JNVST application form such as name, mobile number, details, email ID and more. The second section will be Communication Details. Here, students need to enter the postal address, PIN code, residential state, district and other details as on the image displayed on the screen. Now, students need to fill up the previous school details. In this section, they will have to fill up the complete details of their previous schools such as school name, district, location, the month of joining and passing. Finally, students need to upload their documents such as image, candidate signature, parent signature, whose size should be between 10 to 100 KB in JPEG or JPG format, and certificate whose size should be between 50 to 300 KB in JPEG, JPG format. Students must make sure about the specification and size of the image and signatures. Now, click on Submit and Preview. Make sure that all the details entered are correct. For more information, click on the link given in the description box.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.